My name is. Good afternoon again, everyone. My name is San. I'm a master's student from Faculty of Business Administration and Accountancy, majoring in International Business Management. And today I'm going to be presenting a presentation about 5 strategies to thrive in a digital age. From the books, The Network is Your Customer, 5 strategies to thrive in a digital age. From David L. Rogers, from chapter 6 to chapter 7, which all connect and collaborate. All right, so as you all know, there are 5 strategies to thrive in a digital age, including access, engage, customize, connect, and collaborate. And today I'm focused on the Connect, chapter 6, become a part of your customer's conversation. Okay. Today's network customers seek to connect with one another by sharing ideas, opinion, and feelings through digital media. Much of this connection is happening on social networks like Facebook, MySpace, Twitter, by linking other users to these services, becoming someone's friend or followers in their parlance. Hundreds of millions of people worldwide have connected to each other in the digital realm. Instantiating a web of personalities to prevalent of social networking site, it has to overestimate. The next, customers can do by joining the conversation already happening in popular forums like Facebook and Twitter, or by creating their own forum where customers express themselves and have a voice. Customers are producing avalanches of user-generated content that they use to share ideas with one another. Some people wrote their own blog, upload original audio, video, post their story on social media to express themselves in a small contribution, such as voting, posting for comment, or sharing links to what they find interesting online. The total outpouring of customer opinion and ideas takes many forms and is produced at an incredible rate. For example, video, 20 hours of new footage are posted every minute on YouTube. And the status updates, 21 million short texts are posted each day on Twitter. And some people create their own blog. 200 million people blog, most of them blog or tweet every day. And next is Wikipedia. 15 million encyclopedia entries in 262 languages can be found on Wikipedia. And the next, photos. 4 billion users' photos are shared on Flickr. The next combination of above, 5 billion pieces of content are shared every week on Facebook, including message, links, photos, videos, and more. And the next is how customer reviews. Other popular media for sharing ideas online include customer product reviews, reader comments, vote for new content, user app postings, and tag and social bookmarks. New tools continue to emerge for sharing ideas, opinion, and messages within customer network. The desire to connect with others by sharing and communicating our idea in a range of media is the fourth core behavior of customer networks. It provides a powerful opportunity for businesses and organizations of all kinds to learn from and build relationship with customers by participating in these conversations. By participating in the conversation going on in customer network, a cunning strategy can help an organization achieve key business objectives, including gaining customer insight, building brand image, capturing and evaluating customer input and ideas, nurturing and amplifying positive customer word of mouth, lowering customer service costs, and aiding reputation management and crisis response. Developing an effective connect strategy requires an understanding of the conversation already taking place in customer networks. The first question that needs to be answered for developing an effective connect strategy is what media are customer using and what is it makes these media so social. The second question is who are customers connecting with? What are they sharing? And what is motivating them? The last question is what is the impact of their conversation on brand and businesses? Answering these questions will be required before beginning to develop the connect strategy. Or media or social media. Today, even traditional broadcast media companies are incorporating social elements. Most American newspapers, for example, now incorporate user-generated content in their online edition, including user photos, videos, and even articles. In fact, many newspapers like New York Times have stopped referring their audience as a readers and describe the audience as users because they also have the data form to access, not just the paper. The next is about the broadcast. Broadcast television is getting social as well. Viewers of American Idol help shape the content of that hit program by casting votes for the performers alike. In the United States, 57% of internet users watch at least some of their television while simultaneously using the web. Nearly all broadcasts allow video comments. The first step in a two-way communication pattern that gives readers a voice of their own. All of our media are increasingly including way for customers to come in, contribute, and concern, and connect, giving the tremendous popularity of social media among today's customer networks. It should come as no surprise in where large and small customers are seeking to connect with one another and share their point of view at every opportunity. Why we connect? Why people connect? For some people, connecting through network is a way to cope with intense challenges. The side of passion like host online communities for those suffering from chronic illness such as ALS, Parkinson's, HIV, AIDS, and another disorder. Using a search function similar to those found online, get inside member can find and meet other with medical profile and closely match their own. They group to exchange information about the same condition. And some people, more than 40,000 firefighters around the world, meet online at Firefighter Nation, a niche social networking site that was built using the new platform. On this network, members read news articles related to their profession. They create their own profile of themselves, introduce themselves to other members, and then create a group and join a group together. They connect online to express their opinion and discuss about things that matter to their job. In more than 1 million niche network of this kind, customers are joining together to connect in similar ways by sharing content, reading topical news, meeting others, discuss online, and organizing activities that happen offline. How brands are shaped by conversations. The word of mouth of today, customer is reaching for larger audiences as they connect and share opinion online. In digital era, customer can post it on their Facebook page and 100 friends could see it. The new feed the same day. If the customer posts more public online forums such as Twitter, their comment may pass along and seen by thousands of people outside of their direct circle of friends. Next is how brand shaped by conversation. When customer word of mouth reaches those further afield, does it lose its credibility and impact the brand? Some people may think that who would pay attention to an online product review hosted by someone that you don't know? But the thing is, the second most trusted form of information on product was consumer opinion posted online. People trust on customer opinion posted online as well as surpassing brand sponsorship and all type of advertising, television, radio, billboard, banner, etc. With so much influencer Customer network have begun to have a powerful effect on companies' reputation and brands. Here are 6 approaches to connect strategy. The first one is listen and learn. Monitoring and learn from the online conversation your customer are already having about your business and your industry. The second, join the conversation. Respond to issues, answer questions, and make friends by joining the conversation. The third, provide a forum. Create a new place for your customer to express their view and connect with each other around shared interests. The fourth one is ask for ideas. Ideas from customer tap into the wisdom of the crowd and show that you are care about what they think. Or number 5, integrate their voice in yours. Bring customer story into your own content and marketing. Number 6, let conversations add a layer of value. Make the conversation among your customer on a source of value of your business. The future of content, the future of Connect. The way that customers network are connected, sharing ideas, sharing opinion, and link will continue to evolve with new expressive technologies such as widespread mobile video, a new platform like the next Facebook or Twitter. And the last part of the Connect strategy is the key to Connect strategy. Successful approaches to Connect strategy include monitoring and learning from online conversation already happening around your brand and industry. Responding issues. Next, answering questions and building relationship in existing online forums. Next is creating your own forum for customers to express view and connect with others. Asking customers for their idea and how to improve your business. And the last one is integrating the voice of your customer into your own content and marketing, letting the conversation among customers add additional value to your business. This is the end of the Connect strategy. And next, we will talk about Chapter 7, which is collaborate. Involve your customer at every stage of your enterprise. Collaborating is the 5th core behavior of customer networks. When network customers collaborate, they choose to participate in real work. Organizing border events, writing software code, raising money, reporting breaking news, designing t-shirt or writing encyclopedia articles. This kind of network collaboration provides a powerful opportunity for business and organizations of all types of work with their customers to achieve their goals. This can be done by inviting customers to this process, organizing, writing, raising money, reporting breaking news, can be done by inviting customers to work together on a project, or by inviting them to each take a pieces of the project to work on independently. Customer may participate for a range of motivations, from curiosity, personal passion, or deeply held social values to a desire for status, fame, or financial reward. By inviting customer network to participate in the project, a collaborative strategy can help an organization achieve key business objectives, including increasing efficiency despite limited resources, extending the reach of marketing and communications, expanding the capacity for innovation, and building deep audience engagement and support. The most energized customer network want to do more than just share idea, opinion, and conversation online. They seek to collaborate and on collective project toward shared goals, and they flock to online platform that allows them to act independently. With the growth of digital network, however, customers have gained the ability to collaborate with much broader groups of individuals. Limitations of geography, time, existing relationship have been largely surmounted by the ability of ad hoc network to form communicate, and collaborate via the internet. And here is some example of the organization that use the collaborate strategy. The first landmark case of network collaboration was the Linux operating system started by Linus Torvalds in 1991 and developed by thousands of software developers around the world. Each writing small contribution to the huge quantity of computing code required to build an alternative to Microsoft Windows. Linux was created out of free labor and is free to everyone to use. Although the operating system is not known to many average computer users, the success and scope of the Linux project proved to the developer community the power of network collaboration. Another example of collaborate is Wikipedia. Wikipedia is a project that anyone can contribute to by editing or creating their own articles. Wikipedia allows contributors to easily create and edit the wiki own page using simplified editor that anyone can operate within a web browser. Wikipedia, the free online encyclopedia that started in 2001, took network collaboration and made it mainstream, where Linux was operating system used by small, tech, ceremonial minority. Wikipedia quickly became one of the 10 most frequently visited sites on the web. Just as important, if you don't know anything about technology, some problem, whatever particular knowledge you have, you can use to add information or to improve the site on Wikipedia. Linux and Wikipedia were both non-profit efforts where the collaborator worked for free, knowing that no corporation was profiting from their effort. Their success implicitly raised the question of whether collaboration in customer networks could be used by businesses working with average customers. Another example of collaboration strategy. Network collaborate can be used to generate not just a product, but also an ongoing service process. In 2006, CNN created a campaign called I Report. The channel invited viewers to contribute ground-level journalism by upload photo, videos, and eyewitness report from everywhere in the world. This campaign, everyone can report the news like earthquake, terrorist attack, and political revolution from around the world. And also from Apple company, Apple invited the outside developer to build program or application for the iPhone and arrange for the app to be sold in an official app store by opening the iPhone app as a platform to others. Within a year, the developer has created more than 80,000 customized applications for the iPhone, ranging from popular games like Tetris to Oracle business software for tracking, finance, and manufacturing. And after that, more than 8 billion apps were downloaded. In the same year, we sell on the paid app estimate in the hundreds of millions of dollars. By collaborating with others, Apple has turned its iPhone from a promising gadget into a groundbreaking product. In order for a collaborative strategy to success, it needs to begin with an understanding of several issues. The first is what are the key technologies used for network collaboration? And the second, one mix of motivations will inspire outsiders to contribute in your enterprise. And the last is who will make the final decision on the project now that you have opened it up to your network as partners. Technologies for collaboration. Collaborative office software such as Google Doc, Microsoft Office web app, and another software. Based on the web, this type of software can allow a team to work together on a single shared document, even editing it at the same time while working computers in remote location. Even you are not at the same place, you can work together by online and editing information in real time through this application.
What is Soho mean?
Soho is a cloud company again.
This is another app. Example is like Facebook. Other digital tools are effective in organizing in-person, face-to-face gathering for collaboration. More than 6 million members use Meetup, this application, to create or join group and even organize around professional networking, personal interest, or politics, popular social network that Facebook have incorporated even organizing feature as well. Three other tools are geared specifically toward collaboration in the development of software and web application. Three are the software development kits, application programming interfaces, open source software. SDKs such as the one of the iPhone App Store give outside developers the information they need to write program that will work on a given device in a given operating system. API allow outside development by defining kind of information that can be exchanged with a data library or operating system on a device or over the internet. And open source is an approach to software in which the software code is made publicly available so that anyone can modify and create their own version of it, or create add-on or plug-in program that will work with the commonly used version. Another key issue in developing a collaborative strategy is to understand whether and how to divide up the task at hand. The key to collaborative projects like Wikipedia or the Linux operating system that the core task can be divided into many very small tasks can each be tagged independently by others. No single person, because no single person could have written the million of articles in Wikipedia. The ability to divide a collaborative project into small parts is not essential, but it is important and defining aspect of many collaborative strategies. A related issue for collaboration is whether contributing to the project requires any special enterprise expertise that will limit the pool of potential volunteer. In case of in case of CNN, I report that anyone can share their own news from digital camera platform, one of the key tasks. 5 approaches to collaborative strategy. No single model for a network collaboration will fit all objectives, organization, or customer. In order for a collaborative strategy to work, the organization leading it needs to find an approach that suits goals as well as those of the participant. Success may hinge more these human and problem definition issue than on specific technology. And these are the 5 approaches to collaborative strategy. The first one is passive contribution. participants agree to contribute to a project via action that they are already taking. The second active contribution is participant actively contributes work to parts of a large project. And the third, open competition. Many participants create their own solution to a single project, competing to be chosen as best. The fourth one is defining platform. Each participant builds his or her own project on the platform, but the project type is narrowly defined. The fifth, open platform. Each participant builds his or her own project on the platform. With wide latitude for what the project will be. Passive contribution. In a passive contribution system, participants opt in to contribute to the work of collective tasks or process, but their contribution is merely a byproduct of effort or activity they are already engaged in. It does not demand additional work. Passive contribution is easy on the contributor, but can still lead to quite powerful collaboration. The future of collaboration. The rise of collaborators within digital network pose opportunities and challenges to existing organizations of all kinds. Network collaboration will continue to play an essential large role in the future of nonprofit organizations due to their ability to inspire passion and commitment to daily new causes. The last part is key to a collaborative strategy. The desire to collaborate with others on collective project is one of the greatest potential opportunities of customer networks. Whether your organization is a political campaign, an organization, an online business, or an offline enterprise, a collaborative strategy can help you tap into the knowledge, skill, expertise, and enthusiasm of your network customers. Here's the collaborative strategies. Success approaches to collaborative strategy include offering a chance to passively contribute to a project via work customer are already doing. Next is inviting customers to actively contribute to a small piece of large care project. Sponsoring an open competition for a customer to buy in creating the best solution. Building a defined platform that allows customers to easily create their own project of a specific kind. And the last one is using an open platform, such as an SDK and API or open source that allows participants wide latitude for inventing contribution to your enterprise. And this is all from me.